Walaupun yang gajang persya jangka MCTA man Pyntreikam yakan National Education Policy ajar phau nadu matau Skhem hani nak liang kibar punya jangka Northeastern Hill University kilarai ban yabi syakman akajing Pyntreikam yakan ke policy. Habekan bila pathai khobor u Vice Chancellor jangka Nehu u Profesor PS Shukla u laong man nak liang jangka Nehu kan yabi syakman baka Skhem man Pyntreikam yakan ke education policy nadu uni Skhem u bamenta. Nak liang u Profesor Shukla u laong makalong kabadan kam Pyntreikam yakan ke policy nakam taka jingbit kejimbiang baka niat syafrang jong kisam la pulih. Oleh turu bawa hadu mentah 4 don ke wedi ke college kabal penyesok baka Nehu manwan persyak ya kajing Pyntreikam ya kini ke polisi. Haga juga por la ongru baka jing persyak jong ke MCT umla banong ai namar baka MCT ke ha bapa ke jepet jekmi jong ke sokar jela baka di ke sokar jela ke beri pi ke beri pek ya kini.
Actually, university stand is very clear. I think till date I have not received any. Our principals are agree. Our students, you had already published in the paper. Our students are agree. Our principals are agree. Even and Nehu already had taken a decision to implement the new education policy. And till date, except 1 or 2, I can't say, but none of the principal even has sent me any mail. I am not going to implement the new education policy.
But why VC is reluctant to convene emergency meeting of the academic council? But the stand of the MCTA is that why is
Actually,
VC
don't think. Academic council, I clearly stated all the things in the papers. Academic council for framing of the rules and others. Yes, in the next meeting we are ready to discuss. Even I am ready to discuss with the anyone. Not only the MCT, even I already made a discussion with the KCU, also the Nehu, also the HYNC, HYC, and FKGP. I already made a discussion in this hall. And everybody is convinced for the benefit of the youth of the Meghalaya.
But the main stakeholder here is the Meghalaya College Teacher Association. Because you need to be involved. If they are not there, how will you implement this? The Meghalaya College Teacher members should be part of this.
Actually, Meghalaya union member is directly concerned with the state government. No? He is not working under my domain. Even I cannot directly say anything to the Meghalaya Teachers Association. I am ready to discuss, but I cannot even directly call to him. If he is willing to come here, just I am ready to discuss.
But not even the letter they have, then you have not replied to the letter which are they mentioned.
No, not for the emergent meeting. The letter
of things, the other issue to revoke that notification on July 12th.
Academic council is a constitutional body, and there is a rule and system to call the meeting. Immediately I cannot. Even by first given the letter to all the members, even all the teachers are not going to join even in academic councils. There are certain members. No, only member can join. But without the academic council, I can discuss with anyone. That's why I'm ready to even anyone want to discuss about the implementation of the new education. I am ready. Even Professor Beit also. Even I was not there. So Professor Beit was there. Professor Beit already clear cut made a sentence in the discussion with the press. So my stance is very clear. Okay, they are the teachers. They can raise the question. I am not going to raise the question of any union and others. But my intention means university intention and teachers' intention is very clear, and they are ready any kind of help except the finance. Rest of the help I am ready to do with the help of my teachers.
What you do should be done. Yeah, we are receiving diverse statement from among the teachers. We have seen the papers now. One issuing different statement, the other one.
But I'm not going to comment anything on any union. Okay.
How will you break the dialogue? My question is, till now confusion is still there because unless everyone is on board, confusion will still be there.
No. I think there is no any confusion. My letter is very clear, sent to all the female. Even my statement is also very, very clear in the press or the paper. Okay. And discussion with the even all the members of the press is also very clear. And I am able to say none of the, except one or two, I am not able to, because our OSD is out of station, but except one or two are material. More than I can say 90% principals also agree. In the interest of, if we are not going to implement this education policy, what will be in 2026? I clearly state in the paper, who will be the loser? Vice Chancellor or teachers of the university or our young generation? Who will be the loser?
How would we have the statement of MCA that you are taking decision just to please the people in Delhi?
Okay. They can raise any question. I'm not going to say anything this year. Okay. They can raise it. They are free to raise the question. So I'm not going to comment on that. Okay. But they are also free. They can raise me. They can raise me. Even not only this, other things also some raise me the question. But my intention is very clear. That's why after my joining, every day, even you also have the experience and others, either the society people or the even affiliated colleges or the students. Every day, maximum timing expended in my office. Not less than 10 to 11 hours every day. Even Saturday and sometime maybe Sunday also, if required.
One more question.
So, Vice Chancellor of the Nehu never said the hybrid mode. Never said. This is raised by the someone, I can't say. But I never said this. I'm going to implement in a hybrid mode. I just given a chance in the worst case. Just like in the best position. If any colleges are not in position, so they have the chance to implement the NEP next year. University is ready to take the burden. The university is going to implement, even someone is not going to implement the NEP. The university is going to develop two systems. No? This is a burden on the university. The university is ready to take this burden. In the interest of the youth of the Meghalaya. That's why going to conduct new this Rozgar Mela, employment fair, the first time in the campus of the Nehu. Why not is it happen in the past? That's what I'm saying. No, my intention is very clear.
One last question. You have made a commitment last time years we have met you.
Yeah.
You said you'll be calling a meeting, common meeting of all stakeholders before Independence Day. Whether it will happen?
No, state government, as some data, the 14 state, first state government is going to conduct. No, because they are directly concerned with the state government. They are not directly concerned with the me. No. Even I had a meeting, even called the MCT also. Which days? The KSU and HYC came, but MCT didn't come. Nehu and HYC. They didn't come. I cannot compel him, no. Because they are not my employee. They are employee of the state government. The state government directly say to him anything. But I cannot directly say anything to the teachers of the teachers of the colleges.
That means we can say that the university is firm to implement the entry by any cost from the
No, not by any cost. Not by any cost.
Okay.
With the help of all the stakeholders. But without the help of all the advocates, I am not able to. And I am also not user. If anybody is not ready yet, I am also ready to come back. Go back. But this will not be in the interest of our youth. Okay. Thank you.